Hello everyone, I thought I'd come in and share a Sketchbox opening today. So I've been getting the Sketchbox for a few months now that I've purchased. I used to do art snacks, but I kept getting similar things. So I thought I'd just share the box openings if anybody would appreciate that. This is the artwork that comes in it. Looks like it's Kyle Krauskopf. Not sure if I pronounced that right. Maybe I shouldn't have even tried. Here's the little menu with information. I'm not going to look at it just yet. I'm going to try to pull everything out and then set it aside and check it out with you guys. And I should have made sure I had everything I needed, but hopefully I have some somewhat dirty water here that I'll just grab. Okay, I did peek already at the contents because I couldn't wait, and I saw this notebook which looks really cool. It says, what does it say? Custom Magnani accordion book, 300 GSM cotton watercolor sketchbook. Pretty cool. I don't want to sketch out on that because I don't want to use the sketchbook. Let me see if I can grab, I don't want to use it. I don't know what I'm saying. Here's some watercolor postcards I have. Let me sketch the things out on that. I just grabbed that. Now, we have a paintbrush. This looks pretty cool. It's a silver crystal. I like that it's a filbert because I don't really have a lot of filberts. I do have, I think, a larger one, but I don't know that I have one this size, so that's exciting. Here's the sticker. This is a completely random order of things that I'm doing here. Whatever. I'm going to get this a little wet, and yeah. This says Silver Brush Crystal Series Filbert 02, classic versatile brush, great for filling in wide areas and making thin lines. An Eco-Line brush pen. I have had one of these before in an art snacks box, and I think I was pretty happy with it. Let's just swatch this out. This is in the color Chartreuse, which, I can never tell if Chartreuse is yellow or green or what. Is this like a color that is, I don't know. Seems like this is definitely what I would call yellow, but is Chartreuse just like a thing, a name you can, I don't even know what I'm saying. But if you know what I'm talking about, what is up with Chartreuse? It seems like there's many different colors called Chartreuse. And I have not looked up the subject online, so I have no idea. But if you know, go ahead and comment. I would love to know that. So, it's not the greatest watercolor paper. This is a De La Rani watercolor postcard thing, 140 pound. Anyway, that's, I'm just gonna stop. What else do we have here? We have, oh, and I didn't even write, Eco-Line. Eco-Line. And, yes, Chartreuse. Staedtler Pigment Liner, 0.5. This looks like, a brown color. Does it say on here? And of course, that's not quite in frame. Let's move that over. Dark brown. I don't have a whole lot of brown ones. I have a couple, what do you call them? Micro, I can't even think of the name now. Well, in a brown, but I don't have a Staedtler brown, so that's cool. Pigment liner, 0.5. I'm out of practice for an art unboxing, that is for sure. Alright, another package that needs opening. Grody scissors here. This, I also do not have anything of. A Daniel Smith watercolor stick. Genuine Sodalite. What is that? Is that the color? I don't even know what that is. Okay. It's derived, it's going to say, derived from a semi-precious stone, this pigment stick packs a lot of color. Try applying it to a surface dry or by dabbing with a brush. No, this is a completely new product to me, which is why I like the subscription boxes, because, I didn't go to art school or anything, so I'm going to try it dry and then see what happens here. wow, it's not moving a whole lot there on my not so great watercolor paper. But let's see what happens. And it feels dry. Ooh, that's a lot better. I think I like this application better. It feels like a stone or charcoal or something, you know? Like, and it looks... I wonder if you can see if I get really close. Let me see if this will focus. Can you see? I can't tell through the screen. But, yeah, it reminds me of a piece of charcoal, you know, you get out of the fire or out of the fireplace. I like this color. It's kind of, I would call it like a blue-gray. But definitely, I think I like it better applying it from the stick. I don't even know what the light fastness is of that. Whoa! And it says the retail price is $14.57. Cha-ching. That's a lot for a little stick. And then we have the Graphics Aqua Ink Marabou. I've had this ink before. I've never had a 3-pack. Can't say I use it all that much though, but then again. And actually, what color is this? This is Pyrrole Red. It's got 3 languages on there, but I don't even know what the first one is. I think the middle one might be English. Yes. Middle one is probably English. Quinacridone Gold and Sunshine Yellow. Ooh. Today, in my home, it is a very gray day out and it's raining. Sunshine Yellow sounds pretty nice. Let's just, ooh, it's a very nice color. And I put a lot on there, so. Okay, I need to cap this right away or else I'm gonna have problems. I don't know if you're supposed to shake these or not. It says ultra brilliant pigmented inks are uniquely transparent and light fast. Oh, that's nice. And that they worked with Marabou to create the set, which includes 2 new colors. And it was inspired by sunsets. This looks very greeny. Greeny, that's a word, you know? I'm making that up. But actually on paper it doesn't look that green. Can you see? Yeah, I don't know if you can tell from... But it does look gold. What was this color again? Quinacridone Gold? Yeah. So, I can see sunset. I don't know what I'm doing here, but I think I said that already. Yes, the consummate unprofessional. This one is the Pyrrole Red, which to me, it's like a red-orange. But maybe that's, I don't know about Pyrrole Red, maybe that's what Pyrrole Red is supposed to look like. I'm seeing the sunset thing here. Except for there's no purples and pinks. I do love the purples and pinks in sunsets. And I'm getting my hand wet over here. But what is in this cute little box here? I like the bee. I'm guessing it's like a homemade, or not homemade, but custom, I don't know how to use it, like watercolor, but let's see what it says. Stone ground watercolor, Hudson Bay Blue. Ooh, I like that color. Try using this handmade, that's what I meant to say, handmade, shimmery medium blue to add dimension and life to your art. Wow. That's pretty. Now what is this? It says retail price $5.91. Now, I've never had anything like this before either, so this is a pretty exciting box, I'd have to say, for myself, because it's all new stuff, and that's like the whole point of why I like to subscribe, is to try things that I don't know about or haven't tried before. It's sort of like my fun box, and it actually gets me doing artwork when, you know, I might be bored, or I've been in a creative slump for a while, trying to make some more journals, and it's kind of a struggle. So, I don't know. This is beautiful color. I like the idea of the sky sunset, and I didn't write down what these are, but I think you guys can remember. So, let me know in the comments if you would like to see some sort of like sped up footage of what I might do with this. Maybe in a little page of the accordion notebook. Don't expect professional art. I'm not a professional. But yeah, if that's something you'd like to see, if lots of people, like, I don't know, more than 5 or something want to see it, maybe I'll do it. Or maybe just even a couple. I don't know if I have time. Yeah, let me know. Alright, thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing these swatched out, and have a great day. Bye!